Welcome to this video segment where I get to share a little bit of my knowledge to you, hopefully before you ever need my help. This video and this video series is meant to tell you things that me as a criminal defense lawyer wish you knew. That way you have the benefit of learning something before you get in trouble. My name's Zach Divelbiss. I'm the owner of Future First Criminal Law, and I hope this message teaches you something about our criminal justice system. This message here is going to talk about whether innocence actually is a part of our justice system. Number 15 here, innocence is not a basis for a motion to dismiss. So criminal defendants will often request that their case be dismissed because they are innocent of the charges against them. However, a pretrial motion to dismiss, this is a formal request to dismiss the charges, must be based on one of a very few narrowly defined technical reasons for dismissal. One of those examples being the time allowed to file charges has expired, or another example, the court has no jurisdiction over the case. Those would be valid reasons to file a motion to dismiss. But a claim of innocence is not a valid reason for a dismissal motion. So if you did not do what you are accused of doing, then the appropriate response in our criminal justice system is to plead not guilty to the charges and request a trial. It will then be up to the trier of fact, this is the judge or jury, to review all the evidence that's presented to them at the trial and determine whether you are guilty or not guilty. Wow. If this doesn't shock you, it should. Our criminal justice system, and this is Arizona specific because I talk about Arizona so much, this is where I'm licensed, but I know this happens in other places. But our justice system has nothing, and I mean like almost nothing to do with innocence. You might be asking yourself, well, Zach, I've been told for so many times and so many years that I'm innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. True, but that's not the purpose of the criminal justice system. The purpose of a criminal justice system is to bring charges against you and to eventually have a trial. And at the end of that trial, the jury or the judge gets two options. Neither one of those options is to say that you're innocent. The first option is to say that you're guilty. The second option is to say that you are not guilty. Well, guess what? Being not guilty doesn't mean that you're innocent. So ultimately, the justice system in no way has anything to do with proving your innocence. Which therefore means there's no motion to dismiss if you're truly innocent. And this is the hard part and the reality, and among the many realities of why innocent people get stuck in the criminal justice system. Part of why innocent people get stuck accepting plea deals for something they didn't do. This is the tough reality of where we live and what we deal with on a day-to-day basis. Arizona incarcerates some of the highest population of incarcerated people in the U.S. The U.S. leading the world, by the way. Maricopa County tops almost every other state and county. So you think that this is important, and if you don't think that this is important, you should. Our justice system has little to nothing to do with innocence. If you are truly innocent, then you must absolutely hire a law firm to fight your case in every way possible. But understand, if you're truly innocent, then the legal path that's been set out for you is to go to trial and to prove that you're not guilty. Not that you're innocent, but that you're not guilty. I hope you learned something with this video. I hope you get a good wake-up call as to why all these videos and all these tips are so important. It's because our justice system is not fair. If you are in our justice system right now, please contact us immediately. The sooner, the better. Every day that goes by means that your case is going to be worse without us helping you. Here at Future First Criminal Law, we don't believe that good people belong in jail. If you believe that applies to you, please contact us now and set up a consultation.